Welcome to the Thursday, August 27th CCC Confluence watch list. Wednesday produced enormous movers, but the biggest names are not necessarily Thursday's cleanest setups. Participation got our attention. Structure decides what makes the board. CCC recorded 1,962 alert events across 184 active tickers. MERC and WNW led the after-hours move and radar participation, but both finished no trade conflict. VNRX and MIMI moved less, yet finished with 78% readiness and confirming tape. Movement is not setup quality. VNRX is the strongest blend of completed structure and active participation. The captured reference was 43.2 cents, with 78% readiness, confirming tape, and 15 combined radar appearances. It finished after hours up 20.2% on 57.86 million shares. The setup still needs the 43.53 cent reclaim. 41.46 cents is the captured invalidation, with 46.68 and 46.88 cents on the reference path. Confirm fresh spread, liquidity, and tape. MIMI also finished wait for breakout at 78% readiness with confirming tape. The reference was 238.9, while the required trigger was materially higher at 284.7. 230 is the captured invalidation, with 327.4 and 373.2 on the path. After hours, MIMI gained 31.1% on 3.12 million shares. The structure stayed constructive, but the trigger distance argues against an immediate entry. PMI offers a clean $10 decision line. The captured reference was 969.5, readiness was 78%, and tape was confirming. Require the 963 hold and a $10 reclaim. 1025 and 1034 are the mapped references. 56 alerts and A+ bid pressure show attention, not realized trader profit. VCIG is the bridge between participation and confirmation. It ranked second in combined radar frequency at 23, repeatedly showing stacking, absorption, elevated relative volume, and momentum interaction. The completed condition was wait for breakout at 67% readiness with 307 over 286. NUWE also finished wait for breakout at 67% readiness. Its $1 to 101 decision zone is compact and can become obsolete quickly in Thursday pre-market trading. ZCMD is the shorter secondary watch. 50% readiness, 55 alerts, A+ runner status, and lifting tape. The captured trigger was 80 cents over 78.9 cents. Keep it below the primary 5 until it proves the trigger. The volume board reinforces the central lesson. LGCL recorded 20 combined radar appearances and a running hit counter above 600, yet the verdict remained avoid or wait. OMH repeatedly showed extreme relative volume and absorption, but the final verdict was no trade. DAIC produced strong volume, 105 alerts, and a late momentum confirmed print. The later stock page conditions still governed. No trade, conflict. Participation earns attention. It does not automatically earn an entry. MERC and WNW are the reset board centerpieces. MERC gained 89.9% after hours and led combined radar frequency at 34. Yet its verdict was no trade, conflict, readiness 28%, and tape pulling back. Its required trigger at 122.9 sat far above the 76.6 cent reference. WNW gained 58.1% with 21 combined appearances, but also finished conflict with pulling back tape and a large trigger distance. Big move does not equal clean setup. Do not chase either name. AIXI produced 131 alerts and 10 combined radar appearances, but finished no trade at 28% readiness with pulling back tape. SOAR recorded 62 alerts and 9 combined appearances, yet stale pulling back tape kept it no trade. Both remain reset and reclaim watches. Keep the large cap earnings reaction separate. CRWD finished wait for breakout at 78% readiness with a captured 227.06 trigger over 202.66. CRM gained approximately 12.6% after hours. Okta gained approximately 19.6%, but its automated verdict did not complete, so no trigger, invalidation, target, or readiness is being supplied. Thursday's main scheduled macro window is 8:30 a.m. Eastern. Weekly Jobless Claims carried a high-impact forecast of 206,000, matching the prior. The goods trade balance showed a prior near negative $101.5 billion with no captured forecast. Retail inventories showed 0% prior and wholesale inventories 0.3% prior. At 11, the Kansas City Fed survey showed 17 prior. Watch index futures, treasury yields, the dollar, volatility, and breadth around the 8:30 cluster. Thursday's earnings calendar contains 38 reports, 24 before the market and 14 after the close. Larger options implied moves include GOTU at 21.5%, MTLS at 15.3%, TITN at 14.2%, and BBW at 14.1% before the open. After the close, LFVN carried 31.2%. FINV 17.3, PD 17.1, and ESTC 14.7%. Expected move describes magnitude, not direction. The Thursday hierarchy is clear. Primary confirmation, VNRX, MIMI, PMI, VCIG, and NUWE. Secondary, ZCMD. Volume participation, LGCL, OMH, and DAIC. Reset and reclaim, MERC, WNW, AIXI, and SOAR. Large cap reaction, CRWD. Wednesday gave us the movement. Thursday still has to give us the confirmation. This watch list is educational and informational only, not financial advice or a recommendation to buy or sell any security. Wednesday evening reference levels can be invalidated before the open. Verify current price, spreads, liquidity, news, SEC filings, halts, market conditions, and your own risk plan before acting.